Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So recently I took up a trade in a stock called Aster DM. If you remember, 5 to 6 months back I traded the same stock and I made around 11 lakhs profit with an investment of 80 lakhs. So I'll just place the link below and please make sure to check that video. So I got an opportunity again in this stock at a very good price, so I thought I would invest around initially 50 lakhs, and then maybe once the stock goes up I will start to increase capital, something like that. And what happened was, yesterday the market was little bearish, no, little more than bearish, so I had to exit, and it was a very small stop loss, so around 5%. So basically with my 50 lakhs capital I lost around 3.5 lakhs, 3 to 3.5 lakhs. So that would be around 5%. Let me just explain you why I exited the stock. Before that, please make sure to like this video and also comment if you have any doubts, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Hello friends, so this is the Aster DM daily time frame chart. You can see that this is a very good pattern. The stock has been consolidating right from 2018, and last August it gave a breakout, and I remember I invested around 80 lakhs into this, and I also exited here with some 11 lakhs profit. And right after that it has been consolidating for more than 5 months now, and that is when I thought I would enter. Okay, so this is the pattern again, and also this one. Okay, so what happened, the stock has been consolidating after the breakout, and it also tested this particular resistance, which is a major resistance. So it took a very nice support and went up again 14%. But the problem was I did not enter at this area. I did not look at this chart at the month of December. So basically I did not have a chance to get into this stock at this price level, so I had to wait, and I entered at this area, okay, this 187, this candle, and I put a stop loss below this particular trend line. And basically I invested around 50 lakhs in this trade, and I did not want to take much risk, and because of the war situation and everything, so I put a very tight stop loss of below this trend line. So what happened was, right after I entered I was in a very good profit, maybe let me check, 4% or something initially, so 1-2 lakhs profit, and again it went down. I was at a loss. It did not close below the trend line, so I was fine. I was holding it. It again tested the trend line, went down. This time it went below the trend line. I was at a loss, but I did not close it because the stock did not close below the trend line, right? So again I was in a good profit, and again it was kind of on and off, profit loss, again a profit. The next day it was a loss, and finally yesterday it was a very bearish day. As you guys know that the Nifty gapped down, the market sentiment was not that great, but Aster DM did not gap down as much as the other mid cap or small cap stocks. So I got lucky in that part. So what happened was, it just went down below the trend line. That indicated me that I have to exit because it also closed below the trend line, right? So what could happen probably is it can test again this trend line. So since I allocated like 55 lakhs in this, I couldn't take much more risk than this. I had to exit it. So I would say this is kind of a perfect trade for me, just that it did not hit my target. This time it hit my stop loss, which is fine. This is like a part of the trading. Out of 10 trades, even if you make 6 to 7 trades as a profitable one, you're going to make good money, given that you have a very good risk reward setups for all your 10 trades. This is, I don't feel bad also. This is just a part of the trading, because with the same stock I made some really good money. Also, I just want to let you know guys that this is still a potential stock that you can put it on your watch list. Just wait for the breakout, okay, from this triangle pattern or maybe if the Aster DM is taking a support here, you can buy with a very small stop loss. Who knows? So I could also come up again with the same stock, same video, with a profitable one. Just that I'm not going to take any more risk with this market condition. I could hold if the market condition was good. I would have been holding, my stop loss would have been this, but you have to adjust it based on the market condition. So your stop loss should be based on your market condition, right? So I'm not going to risk now, and probably I'll re-enter again. 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs losses, huge, but okay for me, given that I have this huge capital. So I'll re-enter again at this area. If there is a kind of a bullishness or some kind of a wick like this, something like that, I would look for candlestick patterns, and or I would just wait for a breakout. So like this it could happen. So just put this on your watch list, guys. Just because I hit my stop loss doesn't mean that you have to remove this. You can always have this in your watch list, because this is still a potential stock, because there is clearly there is no indication of bearishness. Normally I wouldn't have exited. I exited now only because of the market condition. Okay, so yeah, I hope that was clear, and I hope you learned something out of this video, because you learn a lot out of lost videos. I thought I would make this, and hopefully I'll make a profitable video next. So please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe, and also click that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video with patience.